Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to explain a few simple things that you need to know before you play Genshin Impact. So here it goes. So at the beginning of the game, you need to pick between the two travelers and you can give it a name. So once you choose a character, you can play that character. So each character have a simple attack, a stronger charge of attack, an elemental skill, and an elemental burst. Your character can also wield some weapons such as sword, a claymore, bow, or a magic catalyst. As the game progresses, you will collect different kinds of weapons which you can actually mix and match and you can use it in the game. There are also different movements in the game. So you can dash for a short time using your stamina meter. You can also use a glider. You can also virtually climb any surface using extra stamina to jump. So in your travels, you will soon find out that you are leveling up on different areas in the game. This is because you are gaining two different kinds of experiences. So one is your character experience and the other one is adventurer experience. Every time you fight and defeat an enemy, your character experience will go up. On the other side, your adventure experience will increase when you explore more of the lands, teleport to waypoints, taking on quests, and uncovering shrines. This game is packed with fun and I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on the next one.